Welcome to Off-Road Vespa. This is the maiden voyage of my 2009 Vespa LX150, and this is the first time on the dirt. All I've done so far is get it running, take the mirrors off. I'm gonna try and plan to swap out the front wheel and go with a 10-inch so we can get some proper knobbies on this thing. But yeah, I'm gonna see what the, okay, I'm scared. This is the first scary spot, and I don't know if I'll make it up this. Holy crap. Just go slow. Feet. Oh, this is pretty scary. And I gotta go up fast. Oh God. That's kind of what I was worried about. Yeah, I got no up to go up from here. Okay. So when you can't go up, you go down. There's no way I can get up that. This has got to be a 50. Nope. I don't think this is a 150. Can't go anywhere I want to. Stuck in a sagebrush. Certainly, you can do something to change around the torque on these, right? So this is the climb after that single track, which it obviously can't do. I don't really know where to go. I can't get this thing off the stand. I think that's what you do, is you just tilt it over. All right, now that we know the capabilities, which are very low, the mission for today is also very low. Can't get to the snow, so we're gonna see if we can make it to the mine, which I don't think we will, but we'll see how close we can get. Oh, there's a van back here. That's weird. What's this guy doing? Is he on the road at least? I'm on a Vespa. Why am I asking what the van's doing? Well, that's what the guy in the van was doing. I bet he doesn't expect the Vespa. No one expects the Vespa. He didn't even hear me. Hello! Don't get hit by the drone. Come on. We're not making it. Get off and push. Oh, come on, Vespa. Like, what was I thinking that we were gonna need knobby tires? It's just pinned. It's the only way to ride them. Flat out. Air. Nope. That one was a little air. How are these cooled? I have no idea. Now I hear a fan. I would think it would be on. I mean, again, it totally handles the bumps decent. Oh God. Oh, what's that? High winds. There's no wind. Don't lie to me, Skydio. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, that's not good. Electrics are off. No electronics. Uh-oh. Well, this fun didn't last long. Do we think it overheated? What happened? I watched that Top Gear Vietnam special where they went across Vietnam on scooters. There were hills, they made it up. I mean, it doesn't smell especially hot. I could see it not liking that climb. This is the only... How does this work? It's the only views I've seen. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Why is that melty? That's not good. All right, that is for the battery tender, which then popped this fuse, which I don't have any more of. Not good. I think we're stranded. Here's the update. So what actually happened was it didn't overheat or anything, but the wiring rubbed, and it looks like this ground must have rubbed through the positive and ground out. And so part of this melted, but there's not that much wiring, and it doesn't look like it melted farther than the ground wire to the frame. So this is all easily fixable, but not on the trail. So we're rolling out of here in neutral. Gonna have to call for a ride once we get out of here. Scooter's going home for maintenance. I'm just gonna redo this wiring in a way that isn't ridiculous. I was worried this was gonna suck getting out of here, and it is not a problem. Speedometer works, we're doing 35. Alright, well, not such a bad end to the first day. A little bit of research when we get home, a little bit of fixing, get my soldering iron out. Leave Vespine again.